Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Microsoft account on Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11 computer, either laptop or desktop, and I want to change your Microsoft account on the Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your existing Microsoft account on your Windows 11 computer or PC, all you need to do is click on the Start button, select Settings. On the Settings page, locate and click on Account on the left side. Now, once you selected Account, hang on for the Microsoft Account page to load. Once it loads, scroll down, go to Account Settings and click on Your Information. Once you click on that, scroll down, select Sign in with a local account instead. Now, you should spot that says, are you sure you want to switch to local account? Go ahead and click on Next. Here, you'll be prompted to type in your PIN. Type in your PIN. Then if the PIN is incorrect, scroll down and click on More Choice. Then select the current Microsoft account and then type in the password to the current Microsoft account. Now go ahead and click on OK. Then you'll be prompted to set up your local account. So go ahead and set up your local account by typing the username, confirm your password, and then type in your int. Then again, click on Next. Then here, you'll be prompted to sign out and finish. So you need to click on the sign out and finish. So after signing out and finish, then you need to change your local account to the new Microsoft account you want to add. So after I signed out and the setup is finished, we then go ahead and change to the new Microsoft account. Now, once your PC restarted, the next thing you want to do now is go ahead and sign into your new Microsoft account on your Windows 11 PC. So click on the Start button, click on Settings, then hang on for the Settings page to load. Select Account. On the Account page, scroll down, come to your information on the account settings and click on that. Scroll down the page and click on Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Now, instead of signing in with your old Microsoft account, you need to go ahead and sign in with the new Microsoft account you want to use. So, type in your new Microsoft account, which is different from the old Microsoft account. So, type in that, confirm it is correct, then click on Next. Enter the code we sent to this particular email. If you did not get the code from Microsoft, click on Other ways to sign in. Then select Use my password or email from this. So go ahead, use your password for the Microsoft account. So I'm just going to go ahead, use my password for the Microsoft account to sign in. Then click on the sign in button. Once you hit the sign in button, it should say sign in to this computer using your Microsoft account. Go ahead and type in your password. Click on Next. Now, once you hit the Next button, just hang on a couple of seconds for your Windows to confirm the window password as well as the Microsoft account password. And once the Microsoft account password can be confirmed, your local account here and on accounts page will change to the new Microsoft account you change to. So click on Skip. Once you selected Skip, hang on and you'll be prompted to type in your Windows PIN. Click on Next. So once you type in your Windows 11 PIN, then you should see your Microsoft account changed. And once it's changed, the old Microsoft account will be removed. Now, your new Microsoft account will be set as your Windows 11 Microsoft account. You see that? So I have successfully changed my old Microsoft account to this new Microsoft account. So that is basically how to change Microsoft accounts in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.